So this is my tiled old kitchen. I'm going to do a full build video soon. So this is it when I'm stripping it out. This is it stripped back to bare plaster. I did a full strip back. This is me starting to skim and plaster. This is the underfloor heating. This is it coming together now. Nice new kitchen. This is a Howden's kitchen. Worktops going in, full appliances. New tiling, new radiator on the wall. This is a partner checking the new fridge out. This is the laser level. These are the new tiles with underfloor heating. This is all the cupboards and wall units in. This is the worktop which I salvaged. This is my tiled area, new shelves, a new LED lighting, full Ajax lighting. Full video arriving soon. Please like and subscribe.